Okay, this is the serial number of this battery. As we can see, the final letters are 000 AM in the serial number. But look, I know this battery is dirty, but check it out. As we can see, this battery is not so swollen or anything, and compared to this battery, looks everything fine. But this battery have a problem. Maybe the main board is damaged or a short circuit in the main board. But the problem is that when we plug this battery, the drone automatically turn on. This is the control of this drone. Not linked, but check it out. If I plug this battery, the drone gonna turn on. Check it. Check. The drone turned it on, and now it's linked. Look, the LED turn on, turn to green, and linked aircraft. And even the LED doesn't turn it on. So let's check. Now it's turned it on. And now mark these, the finger words. But check, if I try to turn off this battery, the drone doesn't turn it off. Look. The battery turned it off, but the drone doesn't turn it off. Look, it's linked, so we have a problem here. And I need to unplug the battery to the drone be turn it off. So this is a problem. And now the